Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to send a text message using this LG flip phone. Let's begin by pressing the envelope button or the mail button on the keypad. Then press on New Compose. Type in the name of the person you want to send a message to. For this example, I'm going to use my dog's name, which I created a dummy with a dummy phone number. Alright, so there are two ways to type. First, by using the screen. Second is the keypad. I personally prefer the keypad because the screen is too small and it squishes everything. And if you use the keypad, it will let you use the LG keyboard. So when you switch over from lowercase to uppercase, you have to press these buttons on the screen, and also to type the numbers. There is also an option for Korean, and the heart button will show you the other options. And this button is for the space key. So this is the selection that you can see by pressing the heart button. So there are 9 pages for this, so you cannot use it by touching the screen, so you have to manually press the button with their corresponding number. So here's the pages. So at the very end of it, you will see options for emoticons that usually Japanese or Koreans use. So I'm gonna choose number 0 for this text message, and then press OK on the keypad to send it. Then back so I can see the entire screen there. So now let's go to the settings. There is also the option for inserting smileys. So these are the smileys for Android phones. So we can also set schedules to send the message. Then we can change themes for the background of the contact person. So for this phone, there are 4 options for the call outs and for the background. But if you want, you can upload from your phone. You can use the camera to customize it for your preference. And you can directly call the person from the message page. So this is just a dummy phone number, so I put my dog's picture and it's not gonna call anybody. And then you can use the phone while being on a call. And then just press the button to end the call. So I think that's all about it. So thank you so much for watching my video and see you next time. Bye bye.